Roxy. Dinambahan ako, guys. Roxy. Ito yung mga ito yung parents ng mga puppies. Yan. Chase. Hi, Chase. Si Roxy. Yan. Ito naman si Blue Super XL. Blue, you know. Pinakamalaki sa lahat. Pinakamatangkad as in. Hello, Roxy. Roxy. Chase. Hey. Blue. Hey, Chase. Winter. Hi, Rox. No, Blue. Blue. Yan ang harot nila, guys. Hey, Chase. Chase. Si Chase. Blue. Ano, Blue? Okay ka lang dyan? Yan, laruan mo. Laruan mong plastic. Hey, Rox. You okay, Rox? Mamaya. Lalakad kayo mamaya, lalakad. Ayan, guys. Winter. Hi, Chase. Ayan sila, guys. Yung maliit, di pwedeng isabay dahil nadadaganan nila. Oh, minong pa, Rox. Ayan, tama-tama, guys. Magdilinis kasi ako. Kaya, kailangan palabasin sila. Yung tatlong puppies, wala na, andun na, nasa labas na. Inilakad na ni boss. Ay, cheese yung bait ng may cheese. Ay, bait yung cheese. Ito yung cheese, malapad to. Malaki mukha niyan. Hi, Chase. Roxy. Ay, sus, bumamba na. No. Hi, Chase. Chase, come. Sit down. Are you okay? Good boy. No. Rox, hindi pa kayo nakapaglakad, Rox. Hingal ka na. Ayan, magnanay po yan sila. Ayan. Oh, Blue. Okay ka lang dyan, Blue? Ha? Winter. Hi, Winter. Hi, Blue. Okay ka lang, Blue? Hey! No! Okay.